I chose the Marian University program for the online component.
I love the online aspect. The fact that I could replay my lectures over and over again to drill them into my head, that was something I wish I had had my first degree.
If you miss something, you can rewind it and go back and write it down. It's at your own pace. It can be 2 o'clock in the morning if you want it to be 2 o'clock in the morning.
It's pretty interactive. Like, we have conferences online.
You have to learn to be independent in studying and not rely on others. But when I did have questions, my professors were readily available. They were an email away, a call away, sometimes even a text away. The relationships I had with my professors were something I would never trade.
I'm very surprised of how much it worked being online and being not in front of the professor.